how to cut out any object on CapCut. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up these simple steps. So open up your CapCut and tap on New Project. And then once that is done, you may select up a photo or a video in which you would like to remove the background. So go ahead and select up the photos that you would like to remove the background for. And then once you've selected, for example, I have selected this image, or you can also select up a video. It's a similar process. Once you've selected the picture or video, all you gotta do is tap on it and you will be getting a white border around it. Now from the editing options, so you need to look out for remove background option. All you gotta do is simply tap on remove background. After that, you need to look for auto removal option, which is a pro feature. Tap on it. And then tap on it. You may tap on try now. After that, wait for the background to be removed like this, and that's it. After it is removed, tap on right, and that is how you basically remove a background using the pro feature of auto removal in CapCut. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. You may go ahead and export it after that. And I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you on the next video.